Hi guys, Miss Chris here from the Fountaindale Library. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite things is found poetry. Poetry itself is one of my favorite things, but found poetry is really fun, especially if you're just starting to write or get into poetry. It's super easy, so you don't have to think of all the words, you're going to find them. So what you need to do this is you're going to need some pencils or some markers. I've got some colored pencils and a copy, you don't want to do it in the book, a copy of a page from one of your favorite books. This one is a page from The Wizard of Oz, and we're going to turn it from this into this, and it's going to be a found poem. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing, this is what we want to make. So the first thing, let's get our words. So you're going to read through your page and find the words that you want to use in your poem. Make sure they're in the right order, because you don't want your reader to have to go from here to here to here to here. They won't do that. So you want it to be in the same order as they are on the page. So circle them as you go along and see which words you want to use. Once you've chosen all your words, this is the easy part, but it takes a little time, is you're going to black out all the words that you're not going to use. So you're going to use a pencil or a marker or a crayon or some tape, whatever you would like, whatever's easy, and black it out. And leaving just the words that you want to use in your poem. This part of it can take a little time, but it's actually kind of fun. It's like coloring a very big picture. It just takes some time. And you want to be careful not to black out the words you want to use. And don't forget those little words in between. If you're not using them, make sure to black those out too. Okay, so once you have that done, then you can kind of look. When I started looking at this, when I first made it, my poem, being about Chicago, this kind of reminded me of a building. So what I did for mine was I colored in the bottom, kind of like the sidewalk or a street, and it's not going to be perfect, because if I wanted to make it really perfect, you would have to watch me for a really long time. And I don't want this video to be too long. And then I thought of the sky at the top, all the skyscrapers into the sky. Maybe a little blue down the side. And then I also took a little gray and colored in the rest of the skyscraper. You might make something totally different. Your book, your page will be totally different than what I'm doing. And like here, I forgot to do my windows like I did in my first one, but that's okay. We'll put a couple down here. So this one will look a little different than the first one I did. But adding some drawings or just some color can make it. In fact, because the poem is about Chicago, and I'm making it look like a building, there's another word for this. It's called concrete poem. It's a poem that looks like what it's about. And that is really all you do. Add some more color. Yeah, they both look kind of cool. Add some different colors, add some drawings, and have fun.